When you get a text message from a wrong number, what's the first thing that you do? Do you respond and say, hey, you've got the wrong number? Or do you ignore it? Do you delete it and mark it as spam? I'm going to show you why responding to it is one of the worst things that you can do. Now here on my iPhone, you can see I have a couple of examples of this. You can see 561 area code just texted me and said, waiting for your order. And then another one you can see here, again, from an area code that is not my area code. It says, hey, this is my new number. And I don't know who this person is. Now, you might get these texts regularly and just think, oh, they're innocent, just wrong numbers. However, what this is called is the wrong number text scam. And it works sort of like this. It starts off with an innocent hook, like the examples I showed you, or it might say something like, hey, are we still on for lunch? Or can you step away for a second? And then after you respond to them, essentially they'll start responding back and start having a dialogue with you. Again, it all sounds polite and innocent and kind. They might strike up a normal conversation with you. However, this is a scammer from a different country that is just spoofing that phone number. They're not actually at that phone number. And over time, over days or weeks or months, after they build up rapport and create this conversation with you, eventually they'll try to scam you. So they'll send you a link to an investment or try to steal your money, or send you a link that when you click on it, it downloads a virus to your phone, or they'll ask you information about yourself, like your home address, or where you live, your phone number, and your email, essentially gathering more information about you. Now, you might be wondering, how can you protect yourself? The first thing that you can do is not respond to these. Essentially, by responding to them, you give them a piece of information that this is a legitimate phone number that they just texted and that you're interested in texting back and forth a little bit. And essentially, it opens up the floodgates of getting a lot more of these spam text messages. So the first thing that you need to do when you get these is just tap on delete and then hit delete and report spam. Now, after you've done that on this one, you can see it doesn't show that. It just says report spam. And again, I'm going to hit delete and report spam. Now, that's not the only thing I would recommend doing because we can help prevent getting these in the first place. To be able to help prevent getting those, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps at the bottom. And then again, scroll down until you get to Messages on this list and tap on Messages here. Now, from here, all you need to do is scroll down, and under the unknown senders category, first is you're going to turn on screen unknown senders. It says hide notifications and move messages to the unknown senders list. Now, I would highly recommend if you have this off, just toggle it on, because if you get a text message from an unknown sender, don't respond to it. Almost certainly it is a scam unless they say something relevant that you actually recognize. Like, hey, this is Tina, your friend from, your neighbor next door at such and such address. They give some kind of information that makes you think, oh, I obviously know who that person is. The other thing you're going to do on here is tap on text message filter. And on here, tap on text message filter. Depending on your service and your carrier, you might have various options, but just choose a filter there. And then make sure to turn on filter spam. So again, if that is off, just toggle this on. Now, essentially what this does is it filters and puts them in a different place and doesn't notify you, but it doesn't always block these. So you still might get these text messages to your phone. But again, the most important thing you can do is not respond to them. Just delete it and mark it as spam and move on. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.